Welcome to ComfyUI Tutorials. Today, we're diving deep into creating stunning 3D models from multiple 2D images. You'll learn to set up your environment, optimize nodes, and generate high-quality assets. By the end, you'll master Multiview 3D reconstruction using the powerful TRELLIS 2. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you have to install our ComfyUI Easy Install package and install TRELLIS 2 in it. If you have not installed it yet, then I will give the video link in the description. Watch the tutorial and install it. After installing, we will run our ComfyUI Flash attention file. Double-click and let's wait for it to run. As soon as it runs, we will need a workflow for it. You will also find the workflow link in the description. As soon as you open the workflow link, you will see such an interface. In this, we have a workflow file, and in all the above folders, we have our reference images, which we are going to use in this tutorial. You can also work on this. We will mark all these and download. When our files are downloaded, we will close this link. We will come to our download folder. We have this folder. Now, it is in zip format, so we will extract it. We will click on the exact file, and we will extract it here. We will delete this file. We have this folder, and in this, we have our workflow file and other images folder. So first of all, we will drag our workflow file in our ComfyUI. This is our workflow. We have already set the nodes, so you don't need to change it. If you want, you can experiment with your choice. So first of all, we need 4 images. These are our 4 nodes. You can see above whatever photo we want in this node. This is front, this is left, this is back, and this is right. Similarly, we have to upload our photos in this. So we will upload the photo. We will open the folder. We will start with the first one, and we will move forward with more detailed models. We will move to the next step. We will test small models first, and after that, we will test more detailed models. We will keep moving forward. We will test the handbag. We will open this. So we have 4 images. If we zoom in, so front, back, left, and right. So, first of all, we will upload the photo in front node. So we will choose front. We will open it. Now we have the front image in front. This is left. So we will choose left one, this one, and similarly we will back in both. This one, and this one is right. So now we have these 4 images. After this, we will come here in the file. This is our name node. We will put the name of the output, which we want in this output file. So I will name it Handbag. Below this is the target face node. We have kept 500,000 faces in this. So if you want, you can do more than this, but for small products like this will be enough. Below this is our load model node. You don't have to touch it. Now we have the TRELLIS 2 4B model, so this is installed. After this, below this is the node. We get shape steps. In this, we already set 25 steps. This is balanced. If you want, you can increase it to 30, but you don't have to increase it. It generates a detailed model. If you want to generate a faster model, you can decrease it to 12 or 15. Similarly, in both these nodes, these are the same. Here are the steps. After this, we have this red one. This is our texture generator. We have kept 25 texture steps in this. If you want, you can increase it to 30, but it will take more time. After this, below this is the resolution. Here is 1024. So, you will increase the resolution. If you have a bigger GPU, you can increase it to 2K. This is our texture size. We don't have to increase it. If you have a smaller GPU, you can decrease the resolution to 512, so it is balanced for you, nothing else. In this green node, the solid mesh, in normal mode, we will analyze it, and in this pink node, in the bottom, the final texture model will come in output. So this was our basic interface. So let's run our workflow. We have to change the name and click on run and wait. So our first model is generated if we see its result. So we have to see it in normal mode. So we will click on this 3 dot and choose model. Now it is in material mode, so we will set it in normal mode, because we already have it in material mode. So, if we want to analyze it, we will analyze the mesh in this normal mode. Here you can see the quality from all sides. In this we can see the holes. If there is a hole or mesh is broken, it is seen in normal mode. Here it is looking good. If we analyze it in texture mode, it is looking good. You can see below, these are the points. So this was our handbag. Our first model is generated very well. You can import it in Blender. We will see it at the end of the video. If you see texture quality, it is managed very well. Here you can see metal. You can see its shine, and this is not the shine of leather, because a little rough leather is generated, but it is good. So let's generate next model, same method. In front node, we will put front image, so we will choose our image. We will go to next folder, let's choose front image. In lower node, we will choose back image. In this left, and in this right, we will name it. Same setting will remain. And we will run the workflow. Our second model is generated, so let's see its result. We will analyze it in normal mode, so that we can see if there are any holes in it. There is a small problem here, but we can ignore it. Otherwise, the mesh is very good, generated. We don't see any other major problem. So let's see textures. Here is our texture model. Texture, everything else is fine. But here, there is a small problem. It is black. If you will generate it again, it may not be a problem. So overall our mesh is very good. Our model is completely generated. Let's test the next model. Further, we have this school bag. On third number, choose school bag. Front. Left one is left. In the same way, we will place all images in right nodes. Let's name it school bag and run the workflow and wait. Our model is also generated. Let's see the final result. Honestly, this model is very surprising. You can see, it is very good. It is very well managed. There is no hole. This model is also very well generated. This was our school bag. Let's test the next model. So we have school bag 2. We have 2 school bags, 3 shoes, and 2 Macs. Let's choose next school bag. Let's name it school bag 2 and run the workflow. Our school bag is also generated. In normal mode, there is no hole or broken mesh, but in texture mode, it is much better than the previous model. We can see other texture. These are small points that we can ignore. There is a little metal. This is also very well generated. Let's see. Next model, we have 2 models of shoes. Let's see. First shoes, name it. In name node, name it shoes and run the workflow. Our first model is also generated. Let's analyze it. In normal mode, our model is very good. It is also well managed. There is no hole. In texture mode, it is very beautiful. This was our first shoes model. Let's see the next model. Name it shoes 2 and run the workflow. Our model is also generated. Let's analyze it. Because it was too long, we can see little problem, but there is problem in one place. This one, if we see from below, in texture, we can see clearly small line with Nike logo. Overall, our model is very good. Texture is also very good. There is leather shade. Let's see the next model. Next, we have shoes model. Our third model. It is little different from first 2. It also has Nike logo. And change its name. Name it shoes 3 and run the workflow. Our shoes last model is generated. Let's analyze it. By the way, our model is very good, generated. We got good response from Soul, and logo is also very good. In texture mode, it is better than previous model, there is no major issue. Overall, texture is also very good. Let's see our next model. Next, we have our first. We have robot. Choose front in front, left in left, place other images. You can see, this is our first robot. Name it. Run the workflow, and wait for its generation. Let's see it in normal mode. In normal mode, it is also very good. Overall detail is very good. Other issue is, if we generate this kind of model, we set number of face to 1 million. Let's see if we can generate this kind of model. This was in normal mode. You can see, in texture mode, it is very good. Let's see. I hope you like this model. You can see, the print is same. Let's generate next model. Our final model is today. This is 9 model. Mech 2. This is same model but texture is different. Name it Mech 2 and run workflow. This model is also finally generated. Let's analyze in normal mode. Same result as previous model. Not much changes, just some changes on face. And if we see in texture mode, I think this is better than previous model, looks more beautiful. We can generate this kind of texture with this workflow. If you have other images, you can test. You can create side images. This was our final model. Let's import them in Blender and see result. Before importing in Blender, open Blender, clear scene, select all, and delete. Go back to ComfyUI. We will get output folder, open it. We have our models. This is also 9, so let's import them in Blender. We have animated in Blender. Let's play. This is also our Blender interface. This is our bag. This is our second bag. This is our shoes, number 1. Number 2. This is number 3. This is our chair. This is our Mac, number 1. This is our last Mac. So this was our today's tutorial. If you didn't understand, you can ask in comments. Thank you for watching this ComfyUI tutorial. We hope you found it helpful for your 3D modeling projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.